What does freedom mean to you?
You know, I can roam around freely without being arrested. ଏବେ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରେ ହେଇଥିଲା CGP protest ସେ ସମସ୍ତେ ରେସ୍ କରିଥିଲେ ଆଉ ଜେନଜିର ପାୱାର ବହୁତ ଅଛି. We are India, we are Vishwaguru.
What does Gen Z wants?
Gen Z wants their respect, which now the older generation asked for, that what Gen Z has done.
Sir, what does Gen Z wants?
Right now, at this point, Gen Z would want more of new things, facilities to come in India and rise India to rise, which we will do itself.
Gen Z को एक करप्शन फ्री गवर्नमेंट चाहिए. पहले वो कोटा सिस्टम हटाओ
बिल्कुल.
और दूसरी बात फ्री का इंटरनेट दो.
Gen Z wants free internet. Gen Z wants free internet.
Yes, sir.
And what else?
Sir, iPhone for gaming.
And
iPhone for gaming
what else?
and nothing else.
Gaming and free internet.
Sir.
That's it.
Sir.
That's all Gen Z wants.
Sir.
Thank you.
For some may want freedom, some may want right.
What do you want?
Me, right now, healthy. I need sleep.
What does Gen Z wants?
Mental peace.
हर इंडियन को कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फॉलो करने का राइट दिया जाए, यही जेनजी चाहता है और कुछ नहीं.
As a Gen Z, I hate the system, the government system जो hate करता हूँ, but I love the country, because as नेपाल में जैसे हुआ था Gen Z revolt किए थे गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ, ऐसे इंडिया में भी हो सकता है, चांसेस है.
बेसिक नीड्स कंप्लीट होगा, लाइक एवरीथिंग सब स्मूथ चालू, गवर्नमेंट्स वगैरह सब किसी ठीक ठाक फैसिलिटीज मिलू.
I want to understand what does your generation wants? What does Gen Z wants?
Gen Z wants that people all across India should be united, irrespective of what the religion, caste, place of birth, and all those things, which are a reason for conflicts nowadays.
Gen Z wants less corruption and a more politically accountable government where whatever they want, their demands should go to the right person, and that person must be capable enough to work out those demands.
So Gen Z wants the respect that they should get, which in this generation is very hard to get, because now discrimination, non-equality is way up on the.
Like they know the disadvantages and they're trying to get everything the best out of the country, and you know the protests, all of it, it's just to get the best.
Gen Z freedom चाहता है, रियल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन
Okay.
जो मेंट करे, खाली बुक में ना लिखा जाए पर मेंट करे. हर इंडियन को कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फॉलो करने का राइट दिया जाए, यही जेन जी चाहता है और कुछ नहीं. हम खाली नाम में इंडिपेंडेंस ना रखें, बल्कि सारे इंसान जो इंडिया में है उनको रियल फ्रीडम मिले.
What does Gen Z wants?
Mental peace.
That's it?
Yep.
And that will what? That is more than enough, I guess.
Sure.
And what does independence mean to you, and how is it relevant in 2026?
Freedom. That's all I want on Independence Day. Not at least from my parents, but from the school and all those stuff, you know.
So that is the thing about Gen Zs, they're brutally honest. Okay. Yep. If you are made Chief Minister of Odisha for a day, one thing that you would want to change?
The police system, most probably the public transports and all those stuff, because they're really in bad shape, you know. They need a lot of maintenance too.